Hey, Safari Sam here, and you're just in time for some letter writing. Do you want your letters to look nice? I use animal letters to make my letters look nice. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really, really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter O. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase o is? Right, it's a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both upper and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letter because it's what we use most when we write. When we write each letter, we're doing it 2 times. The first time is using the dotted lines, and the second time we do it without the dotted lines. Are you ready to go? Let's start this letter. Do you have your paper? First, we're going to do the dotted, so get your pencil and your paper and get ready to do it with me. Here we go. With the uppercase O, I start at the top, right here at the top, and then I go all the way around. All the way around. You know, if it's not perfect, it's okay. I can keep practicing. And every time I practice it, it'll get better. See, I made a little mistake there, but I'm not worried about it because I know I'm going to get better. There is the uppercase O. Now with the lowercase o, I start right here at the middle line. And what do? I do the same thing. I go all the way around. It's kind of nice because we never lift up our pen. Just go all the way around. And then we come back to the top. And then we're done. We've done the uppercase O and the lowercase o. How did you guys do? I bet you guys did really well. Okay, now it's time to write the O's, but this time with no help. Ooh, let me erase mine. You don't have to do this. You have the lines right there, and you can practice it as many times as you want to make it look nice. Okay, here we go with the uppercase O. Sorry. Remember, we start right up here. Do you have your pencil at the top line? And then what do? We go all the way around, and we don't stop. We just keep going. And then we go all the way back up. And then there's the uppercase O. Now with the lowercase o, we start at the middle line. And what do? We do the same thing. We go all the way around and all the way back. And then we're done. And look, mine's not perfect. I messed up here. So maybe I'll try it again. Here we go. You ready? See if I can do it a little bit better this time. Ah, there you go. That's a little better. But that's the beauty of doing this. On your paper, you can practice as many times as you want. I had so much fun doing the letter O with you. I want you to keep practicing until your O's look super nice. All right, it's time for us to go. I'll see you next time. I hope you will come back and do the next letter with me. Bye.